I saw your question on discussion board. You're given this information. Cosine of theta equals 16 over 34, and theta lies in the fourth quadrant. I'm going to find the sine of 2 theta. Ain't cosine of 2 theta and tangent 2 theta. I just went and found the sine of 2 theta, very similar for the others. First of all, we got to recognize the double angle identity. Sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. And we're given cosine of theta, so we can plug that right in. The only thing we're lacking in this problem is the sine of theta. So I come over here and I find it and plug it in, have the answer here. So how do we find the cosine of theta? Well, there's actually different options. I go back to the very basics. Cosine of theta is x over r. And so cosine of theta is 16 over 34, so x is 16 and r is 34. X is numerator, r is denominator. We have this formula from the very beginning, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So I put in the 16 and the 34, and then subtract 16, and I just punch that in my calculator, come out to 900. I want to solve for y, apply square root property, I get positive and negative 30. Well, the sine of theta is y over r. Y is 30, r is 34 from the beginning. I do put a negative sign here because we're in quadrant 4, and the sign's negative in quadrant 4. So we got two choices. We want the negative one. Since it's quadrant 4, I simplify that, divide it by 2 and get negative 15 over 16. Then multiply and get the final answer, negative 240 over 289. Hope that helps.